Hey guys, let's check out Instagram post design for real estate. Let's try and do one of those, guys. Listen, this is my favorite software. It's called Canva. If you haven't heard of it, you got to go and check it out, guys. It's the best. Check out my link in the description below. You get a there's a pro version, but there's also a free version, guys, which you can check out. And guys, this is the one, right? So real estate. So let's say you want to get an Instagram post for real estate and you want to design one. Now they make it so easy for you guys. It's literally like they've got so many amazing templates. So let me go templates. Let's just get started. So this is Canva, and then on the left you got all these templates and projects, whatever you've designed. So I'm going to click templates for a start, and then what we get is we get this page where it gives us options on various things. So like, if you're looking for YouTube banners, Facebook posts, let's have a look. There's everything that you want. Instagram post, Instagram stories. So let me click on Instagram post. Let's just say I want an Instagram post for real estate. So guys, okay, so you got Instagram post template and they're all kind of random, all different types, but look how professional these things look. They look amazing. These are just templates, guys. So I'm actually going to type in real estate, right? There you go. It's got real estate agent, brochure, whatever it is. So let's say for a real estate agent. So let me just click this. And then look at the templates. Guys, look at these templates, man. They're so cool. And this is for the real estate. So like, let's just say, you've got I don't know, you just got a design, you got something that you like. You just choose something obviously that matches your agency, what you like, and and then yeah, you just design it. So let's just click on one. Let's just say like you've got a post that you want something to post. Let's go down to this one. Let's just choose this one for the sake of argument, right? So then it says, do you want to customize it? Let's say you just want to customize it. It doesn't really matter which one, guys. Let's just say you want to customize it. So it brings you up to a page where you can customize it, right? So obviously, you've got the main bit of writing which you can change. You got your you got your web address in there which you can change. It's all editable, guys. So let's just say you want to get rid of the picture's gone. Let's say you want to upload, I don't know, an image or something that you've already got in your sort of picture or something. I don't know, it could be anything, guys. I might put my picture on there. I mean, obviously it doesn't work, but I could go to edit, get rid of that background remover, and then I just put myself in the corner. Now I know it doesn't actually match in terms of what the picture is, but what it does, it shows you the power of how quickly something can get done. So what I'm doing is I'm just removing that image because obviously it doesn't match, and I just want to put my sort of my face there, right? Um, then you can change it. The teaching stuff guy or whatever it is. You change it to whatever you want. Move it around, do what just play around with it. Honestly, it's amazing. Do what you like. Obviously make it smaller, bigger. You got sizing here, which is amazing. Anything you want to do, you can change here the number, the address, whatever you want. Now let's say you like this. So obviously look, you're going to change it to your own style, to your own design. Now you can change anything, guys. Look, even the background, guys. Look, you don't like the color, you just change the color. You want to like a blue tone, here you go. You want to change the writing style. Let's say you don't like the style of writing, you can change from Oswald to Agadir Black or League Spartan, and then change the color if you want again to like I don't know, a yellowish. Just kind of it goes on and on, guys. You can do what you like with it. It really is amazing. and it just works. So that doesn't work at all. So let's go back, and you can just go back, and then if you don't like something, you can just redo it, undo it. Amazing, guys. It's so easy. The thing is, it's just easy. You know, that's what I like about it. Minimize or increase it so you can see what's going on and see what you're doing. And like, let's say, you know, let's just imagine you like it. You know, you've done your design and you think it's great. You just click share. You know, download easily. Just download it like it's done. Download. Literally, it comes up, and that's it. Now it's gonna download for me here, and that's what you got. Look, there you go. This is it. This is it. Right? That's it. Easy. I mean, I know it's not the best design. It really isn't. But you know, like if you go back and you look, I mean, look, let me just show you. This thing is like amazing. And the templates, it's not like they got one or two. I mean, yes, some of them are premium for the pro version, you know. But guys, like when I tell you like this is like unbelievably like look, and it goes on. It's not like there's two or three or four or five. There's like almost hundreds of these, and you just choose exactly what works for your agency, and you literally just click on it, and then you can just customize it with colors, with design. You know, it's amazing, guys. This I mean, nothing so as easy as Canva. So, and then like I said, you can get it for all your social media. You can literally just download loads of these, customize it, make it into your own kind of name agency, wherever it is, and guys, just download it. Nothing better than this. Guys, check out the free trial in the description, and then you can really play around and see how it works for you. And guys, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell if you found any value in this video. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.